What's going on, Ron and Quinn? Hope you guys are doing well today. Just wanted to shoot this quick video for you guys. I know you're busy, I'll keep it short and sweet. Just wanted to cover a couple topics that you guys can do today to continue to dominate the appliance repair market up in Beaverton, Oregon. But not just Beaverton, we can also focus on the surrounding areas that you guys serve as well. So without further ado, I'm just going to hop into it. Like I said, I'm going to keep it short and sweet. I know you guys are busy. Oh, real quick, Quinn, great job on the website, man. Ron said that you built it yourself. I love it, dude. Just wanted to mention that real quick. All right, so the three things that I wanted to cover with you guys today are going to be content, citations, and something called backlinks. So the first thing up is content. I'm sure you guys know what content is. It's anything that you see here on your homepage. So it's this text right here. It's these inner links. Pictures, what's behind the pictures, if you guys have any backgrounds and stuff like that. Even what the pictures are saved as. I'm here. That's awesome, dude. So even what the pictures are saved as, this is all considered content. So these are the things that the search engine can read. And it gives them an idea of the services you offer, the areas you're targeting, and that'll help position you in the search rankings. And I noticed that you guys have different service areas other than Beaverton, so we can talk about how to capitalize on those as well on a different call if you'd like. So in terms of text, we recommend anywhere from 2,000 or more words. That's what Google likes to see on the homepage. And any of your inner pages like these two up here, we recommend having anywhere from 500 to 1,000 words. Google helps with ranking organically as well, and Google loves it. The more you have, the better. So I just wanted to cover that real quick with you guys. So that's content. The second thing I want to talk to you guys about today is something called citations. Now, citations have a lot to do with this map pack right here. So you guys can see you're sitting in the #2 spot right there, so great job there. So what a citation is, it's essentially your business name, address, and phone number listed into directories all throughout the web. I'm sure you guys know what directories are. Just going to cover that real quick. It's just a website out there that allows businesses to have all of their information on there, such as Facebook, Yellow Pages, LinkedIn, Yelp, stuff like that. And the more you have there, the more likely you are to show up in this map section. So you guys are sitting right here. I didn't do too much research on these guys. I'm assuming they have a little bit more citations than you guys. So an idea that I like to use is I like to see who's in the area, right? See what directory they're using, because if it's working for them in that area of Beaverton, it's going to work for you guys as well. So you don't want to go out and get, what the competition has. You want to go out and get what they have, and then you want to add more to them so that you eventually take over that #1 spot. And a lot of clicks happen here, guys. This is a huge piece of what I like to call digital real estate. So really easy to beat these guys. Can definitely help you out with that if you'd like. In a further video, of course, I'm here for you guys if you need the help. So the third thing, because I've covered content, I've covered citations with you guys. The last thing I wanted to cover is something called backlinks. Sorry about that, my cat was scratching at my door. All right, so backlinks have a lot to do with this organic section down here. And the way that a backlink works, all it means is that there's a website out there that's linking back to your website. And that link could potentially bring some traffic from that other website to yours. That's all it is. But all backlinks are not created equal. So you want to have relevant backlinks that are coming back to you. For example, you guys having a restaurant or like a yoga studio or anything that's not relevant to your niche wouldn't be as powerful as another niche relevant business linking back to you. So I'm going to hop into a tool I like to use called Ahrefs. Now this isn't 100% accurate, but it is one of these companies that buy their data from Google. So it gives me a better idea of what's working well for you guys and also what's working well for the competition. So speaking of backlinks, if we go over here, we can see that you guys have 49 other websites or referring domains, and those are linking back to you guys 124 times. And you can see here, you guys have had 201 historically, which means the life of your website, and you guys have had 64 total referring domains. Now, out of these 124 backlinks, you guys are getting ranked for 115 keywords, and from those 115 keywords, you're getting found 113 times organically. So great job there. Now we can go into your organic keywords real quick and see what keywords you're ranking for and what's bringing you the most traffic. So I'm going to click your position here to kind of make it easier. Now if you look over here, the updated section, this is when these keywords are updated, so they kind of fluctuate here and there. You can see you went up 65 places here, 8 places there. That's all that means. So these are the words that are bringing the most traffic here. and the current position. So the more words that we rank for, the better. So great job there. You guys are doing fine without me. Just wanted to cover this for you guys. I did pull up the competition real quick to kind of show you guys where you're at. They have 38 referring domains, and they have 222 backlinks. So they have a little bit more backlinks than you guys. And out of the 61 keywords, only being found for 30 times. So they are ranking better than you guys, only because they have better backlinks. If you go into the organic keyword section and do the same thing, we can kind of see that they are hunkering down on beaverton appliance repair. So that's bringing them the most traffic on their website. So that's basically it. Just wanted to cover those three things for you guys. Oh, real quick, just like Citations, you guys can go out and find the same kind of links that your competitors have and get the same kind of links that they have. Same strategy, see what's working well for them. And if it's working well for them, it's going to work well for you guys too. I did want to show you real quick, I did a search for appliance repair in San Diego. I pulled up the first person here. Just this is how the website looks. A lot of content, a lot of stuff for people to kind of see and go off of. And if you look at their Ahrefs account, they have 168 referring domains, 3.8 thousand backlinks, and they're getting ranked for 112 keywords. I went in here earlier. I wanted to show you guys this. I want to position you guys because I know you guys have different service areas, right? So they're going after appliance repair Poway. They're going after appliance repair La Jolla, appliance repair Santee. So we can do the same thing for you guys for all of these service areas right here. All we'd have to do is build out service area pages and start ranking for those keywords, and then we can get you guys number one spot for a lot of them, number two. That way when somebody searches for appliance repair in these different service areas, you guys are popping up. So that's basically it. I know it's a lot of information. Backlinks can get complicated. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out and contact me. I will gladly help you guys out with how to do all this kind of stuff. Just want to shoot a quick video for you guys so you know exactly where I'm coming from. Again, great job on the website, Quinn. This went a little longer than normal. I apologize about that. I do ask, just if you guys have any feedback, let me know. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. But yeah, dude, great talking with you guys. Hope all is well. Yeah, I'll send this over to you guys as soon as I can. Bye.